if you want to download something from Google Drive on iPhone 17, then first of all we can go to the App Store. We can use the search button in the bottom right corner, and then we can use the search field over here, and we can simply search for Google Drive. We can type Google Drive over here. Let's look for the app. There we go, and you should be able to find this app over here. So let's download it by tapping on this cloud icon. And after that, you should be able to open the app and log into your Google account. There we go, so let's open it. Now we can sign in. And over here we can press continue. And of course, enter your credentials in order to sign into your account. And there we go. Now you have two options. You can either use the app just by, opening it, or you can even go to the Files app and you should be able to have access to Google Drive from here. We need to turn it on in order to be able to access these files, but then you should be able to find everything. And that's pretty much it. If you're looking for more guides for iPhone 17, be sure to check out my channel.